wish my family to be happy together forever. Look! The light is gone! This is a trap! Dad, play with me. Why do you all ignore me?
Not now, Tom. I am very tired. This is a terrible week.
Mom, I want a new phone. My phone looks fake and old.
Stop it, Anna. You are so selfish today.
You are all angry. No one loves me.
We are fighting too much. This is bad.
Let's go for a walk in the forest. We need fresh air.
I don't want to walk. You always lie about fun trips. This forest looks very dangerous.
Look over there. Who is that old man?
Welcome to my forest. Do you want to know a secret?
A secret? Are you going to steal our things?
No, little girl. I protect the wishing well. It can give you one wish. Only one for the whole family.
Wow. Is this real or fake?
I will wish for a long vacation. I need sleep.
No. I must wish for a new diamond necklace.
Stop! It is my turn. I want a new phone. You are all selfish again. Be quiet.
I am the dad, so I will wish.
A greedy heart will wake up the trap.
Look! The light is gone! This is a trap!
Dad! Anna! Where are you? I cannot see.
This is a dangerous magic. Tom, are you safe?
I am scared. We are lost. I don't want a phone. I just want my family.
You must find the light in your hearts.
I must be brave. I will save them. Mom! Dad! Hold my hand! Tom, I am so sorry for being angry.
My babies. Thank goodness you are here.
We will not be selfish anymore. We promise.
I wish my family to be happy together forever. Look! The terrible fog is going away!
That is a true family wish.
Where did he go? It is a secret.
You saved us, Tom.
You are my hero.
I don't need a new phone. I have you guys.
Home, sweet home. It feels so good. Let's clean this terrible room together.
No more screens today. Let's play a game.
Can we play catch? Please? Yes. Throw the ball to me, Tom.
I got it. You cannot steal my ball.
This is the best weekend ever.
I love you, Dad. You are not selfish.
I love you too, my brave little boy.
I will never ignore my family again.
We will always stay together.
My wish came true. Let's run! I am so happy.
Come on, Tom. You can do it.
Yay! I am the winner!
Moral: don't be selfish. A happy family is the best wish of all.
Learn English with Slow English Family. Bye-bye.